तो हम लोग कह दिया धीरे धीरे It's an inside meeting, so many states, they said that it was passed without consultation, this NCTC with the state government. I also said that there should not be any differences between the state and central. Everybody wants to fight the terrorism. It is our number one agenda. But there should not be any confusion or the contradiction or the controversy about any act or law. And this NCTC was notified, approval from the parliament also. Government can do any amendment or any act, it is already there. But it was without the consultation of the state government. What we feel that state police and central police must work together. And that's why the message should not go to the people that yes, central government is trying to impose something which may not be, which may not suit in a federal structure. And this NCTC, this act itself, it's a contradiction of our federal structure, the constitutional obligation also. So I urge the government to withdraw it.
Mamta, one question on the presidential election.
Presidential election, I cannot say right now.
कोई बीच का रास्ता है दीदी इस पूरे मसले पर क्या पूरा रोल बैक कर लेना चाहिए या कुछ
देखो I said it, these should be withdrawn. And for the terrorism activities, central government and state must work together. We have our own law. Law and order is a state subject. Central must keep in confidence to the state government, all the state government. We should not see that these are our government, these are not our government. All the government, I think, according to constitutional, they are by the people. Then we have to give into confidence to all the state government. We must work together. There should not be. देखो सब कमेटी का बात तभी आता है जब हम इसको चाहते हैं. हम चाहते ही नहीं है तो सब कमेटी का बात किसी में आता है. I said it should be withdrawn. I said it should be withdrawn.
दीदी नक्सलियों को विदेशी मदद क्यों मिलती है इस बारे में कहाँ तक मानते हैं?
Ma'am, what do you think about the hostage policy? There have been a series of abductions, we know. Do you think there should be a unified terrorist policy as Senator Malling?
देखो जो टेररिस्ट का इश्यू है अभी इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी अभी इंटरनल आइसोलेटेड एरिया है दैट इज नॉट मैन्ड ऑल्सो. इसमें इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप होना चाहिए, मॉडर्नाइजेशन फंड जाना चाहिए, डेवलपमेंट का एक्टिविटीज होना चाहिए. आइसोलेटेड जो एरिया है उसको भी मैंड करना चाहिए. इसमें बहुत बड़ा स्कीम बनाना चाहिए. आई सेड यू डू द स्कीम to man all these areas and central government must help the state government so that they can create their own infrastructure also to fight against the terrorism. But it doesn't mean that only I have the power, so I passed a law and I just notified a law and I just gave it to the state government that we will interfere in your business. You see, in democracy we have the constitutional boundary. The constitutional boundary is law and order is a state subject. The other subject related to central government is a central subject. If the central government interference for the state subject, do you think it is proper for the federal structure? No. Sometimes one political party may come, may go. But this federal structure, according to our democratic system, it will continue. If there is a emergency-like situation, if there is any disaster-like situation, of course central government can extend their cooperation to them. But unnecessarily, for arrest, for seizure, for information, for investigation, everything, even they can requisite any police officials. So what for state government then? Then state government power will be totally controlled. I don't understand sometimes. It may be that regional parties, maybe some problem, maybe I don't know.
Ma'am, agree to your demands. Are you confident about the fact that you have been able to impress upon the leadership of the UP?
दूसरा ये कि अगर
देखो एक बात है, देखो I heard carefully Prime Minister's speech. He never said that this option is closed, that we cannot discuss, or he didn't say that options are not open. If I can guess from his speech, it is obvious, clear that Prime Minister said the options are open. That's why this discussion is going on, and I think all the big states opposed. Even Arunachal also Congress state, sometimes Manipur also Congress state. But I feel a little bit, if the spirit you see, then they also say. like this. So maximum the state government they opposed, including all the big states, UP, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, then Odisha, then Bengal. There are so many, Punjab, all this. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh.
What did the centre really say? The session has been over. What is the
No, it is not over.
No.
It is not over. Continuing. Only 3-4 persons are left out. After that, Prime Minister and Home Minister will speak. I think they are not. I think if I can guess the mood of the House, then I'll be sure that Central is not going to do it.
Ma'am, the Odisha Chief Minister said that there should be a subcommittee headed by the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, J. Jayalalitha.
By anybody can raise any issue. Anybody can give any suggestion. It is the freedom of democracy. Don't you think it is a prerogative? What they said, it is their issue because they said a subcommittee can discuss. I said it withdraw it.